How to write the equation for the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is the imaginary line that crosses through the vertex of a parabola. In this example, the vertex is located here at 3, -4. So the equation of this undefined vertical line would be x is equal to 3. The x value of the vertex is the constant value in the equation for the axis of symmetry. And since it's always a vertical line, the equation always is an x-only statement. You may be asked to complete a question similar to this one, where you're asked to graph a function and then state the equation of the axis of symmetry. In order to graph the function, you should type it into your graphing calculator into the y equals button, and then press the second graph key to see the table of points. You should write as many points from this table that will fit on the size of the grid you're given. So for us, we can probably start with the point -1, 6, 0, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 6. The rest of those points won't fit on this grid. So -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 6. You'll notice that our graph has that nice round parabola shape. We can label it f of x, and now we can state the equation of the axis of symmetry that passes through this vertex. The axis of symmetry equation always starts with an x, and the value here will be the x-coordinate of that vertex point, which is 1. Another way you could be asked is without a graph, where you're simply given the equation and asked to determine the axis of symmetry. In that case, you could use this formula to find that equation. The values from the formula can be found by looking at your equation in standard form, where a is the x-squared coefficient, b is the x coefficient, and c is the constant. So the equation will be x equals -b, and b is -2, all over 2a, where a is 1. When you simplify this expression here, you get 2 over 2, which is the same as x equals 1. And that's how you write the equation for the axis of symmetry.